Hey guys, welcome back to Sam's Diecast showroom. Today we're going to be unboxing a 2021 Hot Wheels recolor of the Triumph TR6. This is from Hot Wheels Race Day number 1 out of 10, number 9 of 250 for 2021. This is on an international card. Got this on my auto parts store. Oh boy, like 5-6 months ago. I got this a while ago, back when this case was brand new. Even though this packaging is not in the best shape. GTB 87 is the number. International card, 2020 copyright. And you can see the wear on the bubble right there. Got it in the nice metal flake red version. I got a 2016 multi-pack exclusive one. For some reason, I don't know. It's not a 2013, I looked at the base code. And this is the first color of 2021, which I opened on the previous channel. But we got it in red here. And the first edition actually came in a metal flake silver, and the second one came in a metal flake green with 5 spokes. So those were pretty cool, and now they made a Target red edition. Surprisingly, it's black, and as the main color, there is red in there. Okay, we got the red one. Almost a clean open. It's a tiny tear on the side. But I've been dying to get this one open. Look at that color shining in the light. I'm liking the white rims on these DD8 wheels. The white striping on the DD8 rims, how about that? But this thing is beautiful. Candy apple metal flake red. This has the number 54 in white on the side, and I'm loving the white wall tires. DD8 deep dish 8-spoke wheels, and has a gold Hot Wheels symbol, like a design around there. LC on the side. Nice classic car. Here's the back of it. Nothing too interesting in the back. As you're noticing, there is no windshield. Yeah, this casting does not come with a windshield. Imagine driving this. That would be kind of a pain, getting all the wind in your eyes. But you should be wearing goggles. It is a race car from the HW Race Day series. Been trying to open up the Race Day cars. And here's your look. Gray interior. I like that right there. Is that the fuel cap? No, it can't be. There is the white striping. Interior. You can see the interior right there. Like how clear it is. Stick shift. Yeah, that looks like a stick shift to me. And steering is on the right side, which is opposite of America. And there's only one seat. It is a race car. Look at that, number 54 on the hood. Double white stripes. Front of the casting. I love this color, metal flake red. I love it, love it, love it. All the metal flake red with the tampos is the diecast part of this Hot Wheels car, this 99-cent Hot Wheels diecast car. 2009 copyright. This casting first came out in 2009. It's made in Malaysia with a gray plastic base. Beautiful casting. Wheels spun well on this. Here's a look at all 3 of the versions that I own. 2016 and 2 2021s. This is the one I just unboxed. Beautiful casting. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe to the channel for more. And actually, before I leave, don't leave yet. I'm going to wait. In ounces. 1.263, not bad at all. That has some nice weight, 1.263 ounces. And just for fun, let's see how much this one weighs. 1.286, there's extra rust on that one, so that makes sense. 1.247. Thanks for tuning in once again. Do not forget to subscribe for more videos like this. If you don't like the video, just walk away and find someone else you like. I don't know.